Hidden in this ancient verse from the book of Job is a profound exploration of human suffering and divine hope. Job's journey through unimaginable pain offers timeless insights into the resilience of the human spirit. His tale invites us to reflect deeply on our own struggles. Let's embark on a journey through his story and its wisdom. Job's story begins with him being tested through immense loss and suffering, yet his faith remains unshaken. The book of Job highlights the depth of his trust in divine justice, even when he doesn't understand his suffering. It teaches us that faith often requires unwavering trust, something we should remember during our difficult times. In today's fast-paced world, the book of Job reminds us to seek deeper meanings behind our challenges. Job's conversations with his friends and God reflect inner dialogues we often have when facing adversity. They underscore the importance of patience, understanding, and the quest for truth amidst turmoil, which remains relevant even now. This teaching can transform your life by showing that hope and faith can coexist with suffering. Job's ultimate restoration serves as an inspiration, reminding us that enduring faith can lead to renewal and deeper wisdom. Reflect on how this story of patience and hope can influence your journey,